Hello, welcome back. This is Anabrese. Thank you for being here. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you. I don't always do this style, but today I feel guided to use the oracle cards, and we're going to use the Shamanic medicine deck. I haven't been on here for a little while, so I'm going to be doing a video with a bit of an update about what's been going on with me that some of you might be interested in. But for now, I want to welcome you, and we're going to see what guidance the Shamanic Medicine guidebook has for us today, and oracle cards. So if you're new, I just want to welcome you, and this is a channel for personal growth, personal transformation, self-actualization, and also if you're a healer, a holistic therapist, a vegan, a change maker, and you resonate with any of those identities, this channel is supportive for empaths, empathic change makers especially, and that's maybe the bulk of my work. I just released a book called The Wise Method, Awakening Earth Stewards in Unity and Purpose, and that's available on Amazon, and the link will be in the description box there. And this was really a lifetime's work of my own spiritual journey that I wanted to share, and my own awakening journey, and how that pertained to also being vegan and my relationship with animals. So there's something for everyone on this channel, and if you're new to personal growth, transformation, I hope that you will find lots of informative, helpful videos on guiding you emotionally and mentally, especially if you're very empathic, for this, life that we have on this planet right now. And also, many of us are being called into action. Many of us are being called to really tune into our own life purpose and what we have to share. And, as we raise the vibration of the planet, as we heal ourselves and raise our own vibration and our own clarity and stability within, then we also help the planet and everyone else around us, including the animals and Earth herself. So let's see what messages there are today, just to give us some inspiration and guidance. So the first one up is offerings. Oh, wealth. That's a nice card to get. I like to see that. Abundance. I'm focusing on, abundance in my life, and just honoring and with gratitude all around me. And I think the more that we do that, the more we invite abundance into our life. So this is about offerings. And of course, as we give, we also receive. Let's just see what the book has to say, because I'm quite new to this deck, and it's always good just to see what what else we need to know about this one. Yeah, it's time to give back. Wasn't I just talking about that? So even as individuals ourselves, we're here with a purpose. We have an opportunity to give in some way using our own unique gifts and talents. So the first sentence of this was, it's time to give back. Make a list of everything you are grateful for, and you will soon notice how rich you really are. Because quite often in life, it's easy to focus on lack and what we don't have and what we want to create in our lives and what we want to manifest. But when we stop and just take inventory of the amount of wealth and abundance that we have in our immediate environment, and also when we're walking in nature, we can find abundance all around us. The universe is an abundant place. The universe is abundant. It is infinite abundance. And so in reality, that's who you are and that's who I am. We are infinite abundance, because we are, an expression of the Creator. We're an expression of the universe in form, in our unique form. So the more that we appreciate and tap into the abundance around us, the more we become a channel for abundance to come to us as well. Everything is interconnected, so when you give, abundance will flow back to you in some form. Spirit provides for our needs, so make offerings and thanksgiving for all you have and all you are as a regular practice. This can be done daily, anywhere, at any time, and to great effect. Offerings can be made in many forms, such as fruit, nuts, and candles. I have a candle on here today for us as well, if you can see that. Whatever you give is greater when infused with gratitude. Because sometimes we get a bit resentful, you know, when we have to pay for things, you know, and it's a good practice to actually give with love and appreciation. So if you're paying for something, if you're paying for a service, or you're paying for food in the supermarket, but to actually have gratitude that you're able to do that, and that these foods have been brought from all over the world and have gone through many processes that involved so many people, and right down to people picking the food, picking the fruits, you know, from the trees to pack, to be sent to us in our country. There's so much to be grateful for, all these steps along the way, so that we could receive. Give something that is of importance or value to you, for then you are truly giving. So yeah, sometimes it's hard to give up the things that we, you know, are feeling emotional about. But, you know, I don't know, simple things. It can be buying someone a cup of coffee, or maybe something that you really, you know, a piece of clothing that you have in your wardrobe that you love, but you know that it would maybe suit one of your friends a lot better. So it's good to be able to give, you know, in that way too. Give something that is of importance. Yeah, you can also make an offering through prayer, song, or by saying a simple thank you. Be humble and thankful. Hold the offering to your heart and allow it to become a blessing. This practice will enhance your connection with spirit and invite abundance to come your way. And we've got another meaning here. It says, financial difficulties are soon resolved. An unexpected windfall comes your way. Focus on what you do want rather than what you don't. You are worthy. Practice the art of receiving. Gratitude ensures a bountiful crop. And that's what I started this video by saying, was just, you know, the opportunity to give and be the expression of your purpose in this world, the expression of your gifts and talents. And I'm back here doing YouTube because after a long break, and I've just been feeling the push, I've been feeling the nudge, and it's because I want to give, I want to share. And you know, when we do that, we also receive, because we're, I don't know, it's just lovely to share and be of service to other people. So there's a little verse at the end of this that says, give thanks and offer up with love, ensure abundance from above. With humble heart you must believe, hold your hands out to receive. So I'm sending you all so much love and abundance with this card today. I think it's a truly beautiful card. And these colours, orange is also associated with our creativity and the sacral chakras. So, you know, I'm just looking at what's actually in this card. We've got fruits and berries and fire, you know, like candles. And also, you know, sometimes just sharing a meal with someone or inviting someone out for lunch, that kind of thing is such a beautiful way to really tap into abundance. It can be simple things, and also just being there, being, you know, listening to our friends is also another wonderful way to be enjoying abundance with one another. But yeah, it's all around us, especially in nature. If you're feeling a bit hard up or anything like that right now, just trust in the universe and be open to receiving, because sometimes, you know, we're just not open to receiving and we might be blocking our own blessings. So pray and open yourself to receiving and ask God, you know, for what you need. So we're just going to pull one more card today that might have a message for us. Okay, this one is hills. Is it hills? No, bells. Bells. And it says deflection. Bells. Okay, so I know what this is going to be about. It's kind of about sound and cleansing and the ability to deflect that which isn't of our benefit as well. So it's like being able to know when something's not for us. And we'll just check what's in the book about this. bells, 22. You know, bells is also kind of, it's been used as a sign of calling a congregation together, you know, like the church bells. So it's bringing people together for a unified purpose. It can also be a calling. It can be your higher self trying to get your attention. If you've been hearing messages in your dreams or having dreams that seem to be, you know, speaking to you in some way. Maybe music has a message for you right now as well. So just keeping an open mind to receiving messages. So deflection. Shamanic tribes used the sound of bells to ward off evil spirits, negative entities, and pending danger. When the bells sing loudly and draw attention, the person shaking the bells is silent. This is most definitely not the time to be overly vocal or to bring focus back to you. Keep your thoughts, intentions, and ideas to yourself. Others may be jealous, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so this is about recognizing what's good for you and about walking away from what's not serving you. So everything's energy. This is a vibrational universe. And sometimes we are in situations or with certain people that, you know, are maybe gossipy or, you know, full of drama or whatever. And it's not always to our highest good to be around that energy. And this is a reminder to kind of just step away from those situations that are not right for you. So this is a direct message for someone right now that's listening to this video. So if this resonates with you, then maybe it's time to reflect on, you know, what are you tolerating? What are you allowing into your space? What are you, just what are you indulging in? Maybe something that you're indulging in, a practice, or something that's not good for you. Maybe watching too much Netflix, I don't know. But you know, just be aware that, you know, of what you're receiving. Like we started off the reading with abundance and being open to receive, but also we have to also be just as aware, just as sensitive to what's not meant for us. And so it's okay to say no. It's okay to say no to what's not right for us. So yeah, the bell branch is also used for healing and invoking spirits and to summon the spirits of sacred sites. So also, you know, asking your divine guides and angels for help, I think is part of this message, is what I'm feeling. Yeah, okay, so the little verse in this is, ding-a-ling-a-ling, flee away, my sound keeps evil spirits at bay. I come to you as a warning sign, heed my message and you'll be fine. So it's just saying, step away from your current situation, heed the warning signs you've been ignoring, deflecting negativity. So it's just being aware of our own energy and being able to you know, keep our own vibration high, which is what I was talking about at the beginning. It's like, if we want the world to be loving and a beautiful place for everyone, then each one of us is also responsible. We're all adding to that collective vibration. So if we tolerate negative thoughts within ourselves, if we tolerate our own ego behavior, then we're only adding that into the world. So I would, I'm feeling intuitively that message is proposing a time of reflection to see what you're allowing, and or either through thoughts or actions or situations or circumstances around you, and see where you can raise the vibration. You know, get out in nature, be in nature. It's always the highest vibration in this world, really. So just mind your own energy. You're responsible for your energy at all times. You're not responsible for anyone else. So as an empath, as a, you know, change maker, as someone that's stepping into a role of wanting to give and serve in this world, just be mindful of, you know, how much you're taking on, so that you can stay aligned with your own truth, your own vibration, and feed that. Feed your own soul, feed your own vibration with positive energy through music, through dance, through eating well, through spending time in nature, and surrounding yourself with people that support you, people that, you know, are in your team, people that are on your team. Okay, so that's the messages for today, and I'm sending you lots of love and light. And if you'd like to subscribe to this channel or share this video, I'd be very grateful. And I hope to see you again soon. Lots of love.